Welcome viewers, welcome to our YouTube tutorial on drawing a beautiful crown. In this video, we shall guide you through simple steps to create your own stunning crown artwork. Start by sketching a simple oval shape for the base of the crown. Add curved lines above the oval to outline the top of the crown. Draw small triangles along the top edge for the crown's points. Connect the points with gentle curves to form the crown's structure. Add more details to the crown's base with decorative patterns or gems. Next, sketch the center jewel or emblem on the front of the crown. Outline the jewel with geometric shapes like squares or diamonds. Add intricate designs or patterns inside the jewel for extra flair. Now draw the arcs connecting the top of the crown to the base. Make the arcs elegant by adding curves and small embellishments. Use shading to add depth and dimension to your crown drawing. Start with light shading and gradually darken areas for contrast. Pay attention to light sources to create realistic shadows. Blend shading smoothly to create a polished look. Don't forget to add highlights to make the jewels sparkle. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to try again if needed. Feel free to add your own unique touch to personalize your crown drawing. Share your progress with us in the comments below. Now, let's recap the steps we have covered so far. Consider adding a background to complete your drawing. Thanks for watching this video.